Let us understand what is elixir. Elixirs are basically sweet hydroalcoholic solution which contains alcohol and water. Let us know the procedure. In step number 1, we have to dissolve piperazine citrate in a part of purified water. In step number 2, to the above prepared solution, we have to add orange oil, glycerine, syrup and chloroform spirit with continuous stirring. In the step number 3, transfer this particular solution to a volumetric flask. After that, sufficient water is being added to produce the required volume, that is up to 1000 ml. Let us know the ingredients. Piperazine citrate 180 gram, chloroform spirit 5 ml. For that we have to use 0.25 ml of chloroform dissolved in 4.5 ml alcohol plus 0.5 ml water. We need glycerine 100 ml, orange oil 0.25 ml, simple syrup 500 ml. That we have done in the practical number 1. That is 66.7% of the sugar is being used. For this particular 500 ml of simple syrup, we have used 333.5 gram of sugar in 500 ml of water. Purified water up to 1000 ml. These are the glassware that we required in this particular practical. That is beaker, 500 ml of beaker, glass rod for trituration and stirring, and a measuring cylinder 100 ml. We have to add 180 gram of piperazine citrate and with
3.
To this particular solution we have to add orange oil, chloroform spirit, glycerine and sugar syrup, a part of sugar syrup. The remaining will be added in the final volume maker. With continuous stirring, a mixture is being obtained. Now the prepared solution is being added. The remaining of simple syrup is also been added. And the final volume was adjusted using purified water up to 1000 ml. And the final preparation was adjusted using purified water up to 1000 ml. This is your prepared piperazine citrate elixir. Thank you. Take care, guys.